just got on the thing. So it came with this hook. So you're gonna take this. Just gonna slide it in there, like that. Oh, I got a big fish! Oh my gosh!
Bring it over here to the edge. Or you can take it out there. We'll see what's inside it.
Whoa! It's fighting. No way! I got a Cyber 1200. Let's pull it out of the water. See what we got. Look at all that.
And then you're just gonna hose that off.
Good shot, Axel.
And then all you have to do is wash it out. But if you have a German Shepherd, things might be a little more difficult. Okay, go on.